Sorry guys, bye.
Start cussing.
You look so cute.
Oh my god, I just got a great shot of my kid. Say, I hate my dad.
Catherine.
Alright, this is the 10 questions.
No! We can't play.
What do you think of Michael Jackson?
I touched myself.
I'm gonna take the gum. You have green gum.
Nigger time.
She's been ignoring us this whole time just to talk to who? Who?
When the big hand touches
Damn!
I don't get it. I don't
What is that? She just cut me with a knife.
Yeah, I got a joke for you. What do you call a deer with no eyes?
No idea.
No idea. Sammy told me that last week. Yeah, what do you call that deer?
You want to say something else?
No idea. Get it? No idea.
Watch it when you come out. I want to eat it.
I don't eat things.
Eat it.
I kill things. Don't close up on my face with it.
I know you're just going to go off and tell everyone my jokes. I want you to tell anyone. Hey, Sarah. What do you call a deer with no eyes?
Give me the knife. Give me the knife.
No idea.
Or else I'm cutting your hair.
I picked a lace for you.
Oh, the technique.
Yeah. Sometimes.
You're gonna cut somebody.